Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the tutorial how to create a new Pinterest account. So let's follow the step and don't skip anything. Okay, so the first step, let's just open the Pinterest apps, and here we click on the email section and we enter the email that we want to register a Pinterest account. So you should use an email that has not been used before, friends. Okay, here we create a new password. So you have to create a new password. So as an example, I will just create a new password like this. So it's easy and we click next or continue. Okay, after that we just enter the name, and here the name is like this. It's okay and I use this name, then we click next. Now the next step is that we are asked to enter our date of birth. That is, we have to enter our date of birth, and just for information for you, so you have to make sure that your date of birth must be more than 18 years old. So you have to set the date or year or of birth like this, and make sure the age is more than 18 years. And this is my date of birth, and it's not real, friend, but it's just to fill in. Okay, after that let's enter our gender here. I enter male or female. I entered man. Okay, after that we were asked to enter a topic that we will like on Pinterest, so we choose several topics that we will explore later on the Pinterest account. You can enter several topics, friend, and we have to click it next. Okay, and this everything is finished and our Pinterest account has been successfully created. You can explore anything here that you are looking for on Pinterest. Okay, hopefully this is useful, and thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.